Good morning. UGC NET 2021 notification is released. So see complete details about this notification. Don't skip the video. Watch complete video for better information. See the complete details. UGC NET 2021 application form is releasing on 2nd February 2021. Exam date has been announced. The exam will be held on 2nd May to 17th May 2021. UGC NET is a national level entrance test which will be organized by NTA National Testing Agency for JRF and assistant professor. See the application fees details. Payment mode: UGC NET application fees can be paid through online mode, debit or credit card or net banking or Paytm. See the application fees details. Unreserved or general candidates 1000 rupees, general EWS OBC NCL candidates 500 rupees, SC ST PWD and transgender candidates 250 rupees. See the UGC NET 2021 application correction. The UGC NET application correction window will be opened for the candidates who want to edit their application form. The correction window will open from April 2021. Students will be able to make correction only through online mode on the website. See the eligibility for this notification. Qualifying exam: candidate general unreserved general EWS with master's degree or its equivalent from UGC recognized university or institutions is eligible to apply. Qualifying marks: student in their master degree level must have obtained at least 55% marks. 50% marks for SC ST OBC NCL PWD transgender category candidates. Qualifying subjects: candidates in the master degree level should have passed with electronic science, humanities and social science including languages, computer science and applications. Appearing: students who are in the last year of their master's degree level or who have appeared but results are awaited are also eligible to apply. So final year students also can apply for this notification, but the choose option is result awaited. Such students will be considered eligible only if they will fulfill the qualification requirements. Furthermore, the candidates must complete the master degree within 2 years of declaration of result, otherwise he or she will be disqualified. PhD holders: students with PhD degree whose master's level exam has been completed by September 1992 will be given 5% relaxation in aggregate marks, which means from 55% to 50%. Age: assistant professor for UGC NET there will be no upper age limit to apply. Junior research fellowship: applying candidates should not be more than 30 years of age as on 1st December 2021. Age relaxation: SC ST PWD OBC NCL transgender women candidates will be given relaxation up to 5 years. Also 5 years relaxation will be given to candidates with research experience or who have served in armed forces. 3 years age relaxation is for given to candidate with LLM degree. See the exam pattern for UGC NET. Exam mode is completely computer based test. Number of papers: there are 2 papers. Language is Hindi or English. Type of question: there will be multiple choice objective type of question in the paper. Time duration 3 hours. See, here is a clearly mentioned about the question paper. Paper 1 100 marks 50 questions. Paper 2 200 marks 100 questions. Total 300 marks 150 questions. See the syllabus. UGC NET 2021 syllabus. Students can check the complete UGC NET syllabus here. Paper 1 of UGC NET will be of general nature and prepared to assess the research aptitude or teaching of the candidate. Paper 2 will be prepared based on the core subjects or specialization as selected by the candidate. In paper 2 there are total 84 specialization subjects. This is all about UGC NET 2021 notification. The official website link is available in video description. Please go there and click that link to apply. Subscribe my channel for more updates.